Chandler's gonna eat this whole cheese thing. That's from my Easy Bake Oven, and everything in there is disgusting. Oh, you're eating all of it.
Give me a bigger spoon.
Okay. Oh my gosh. You're gonna puke. I tried it. It's terrible. Do you need some water? Do you need some water? It's just food, Chandler.
3,
2, 1.
Oh, sick! Chandler!
Here's some water.
Hey, what was that easy baked cheese?
I made him puke anymore. It made him puke even more. That cheese was really yellow and moldy.
Oh, sick.
No.
Give him a napkin.
That was really moldy.
He almost... You did that for what? How much?
$7. No, $5. Look at that. Ew.
Let's see, bud.
I can't wait to do it to Aunt Carol. So it looks like that.
You go take out the garbage. Go take out the garbage.
Oh my gosh, it stinks. Smell it.
I don't want to smell it. No, get it out of here.
I need a rag.
What? Get him a rag, babe.
For what? This is so gross.
I got it all over my face.
I need to get wet.
Are you sick?